CashApp is a free mobile payment service that basically allows its users to send, receive, and spend money, as well as invest in stocks and Bitcoin. Think of it as your Financing 101, a one-stop solution for all things finance. We've been using CashApp for quite a while now, and in our video today, we're going to talk about how you can use CashApp to make a dent in your finances. So, without further ado, let's begin. To start things up, we need to download and install CashApp from the App Store on our smartphone. After it's installed, we need to open the app, and it'll prompt us to either use our phone number or email address, so we'll just go with our email for now. The used email will now be associated with our new CashApp account. Following this, to verify, CashApp sent us a security code to make sure of the user's authenticity. After verifying, CashApp asked us if we wanted to link a debit card right away, which we skipped, or now. However, do keep in mind that linking a debit card makes adding money and the payment process a lot easier. After that, we had to add our first and last names, and we were almost ready. Up next, we were prompted to come up with a unique cash tag that acts as the username that people can use to send us money, so it's best to pick something that's fun and memorable. The app also asked us if we wanted to sync our phone contacts, and to that, we said yes, as it makes it a breeze to find and pay our friends who are also using CashApp. All that, and our account is finally ready to go. Now, to send money to someone, we needed to start on the main screen and enter the amount we wanted to send. After that, we had to tap on the Pay button right here, which brought us to the option of choosing who to send it to by typing their name, cash tag, phone number, or email. Remember how we synced the app with our contacts? This is where it'll be useful. Now, before finalizing the payment, we had the option to add a note to describe what the money was for. We also needed to select an appropriate funding source, which in your case could be CashApp balance, a linked debit card, or a credit card. Something to keep in mind, using your balance or debit card is free. If you're in the presence of the person you're sending money to, an even easier way would be to use the built-in QR scanner, since all we had to do was tap the code icon on the top left, then hold our camera over the QR code to instantly pull up info and send the payment. On the flip side, you can also request money using a similar process. Enter the amount, tap Request, instead of Pay, choose the person, add a note, and you're done. They'll get a notification that will prompt them to pay you. The QR code option works for requests as well, to quickly request money. With all that, we could even request money from people who are not on CashApp, as all we had to do was type our email address when prompted, and we were done. But what about withdrawing money? Let's say you have a balance built up in your CashApp from the money you've received, and you want to withdraw it to your regular bank account. The process was simple, as all we had to was tap on our CashApp balance located at the bottom left, then hit the green Cash Out button. Do keep in mind you need to link a bank account to this if you haven't already, and for that, you need to click on your profile icon, then go to Linked Banks, Link a Bank, and use Plaid to securely connect to your bank's credentials. The benefit for this is you'll now be able to cash out any available balance. For this, CashApp gave us two separate options. One is Standard, where it's free, but the transaction could take up 1 to 3 business days. Or Instant, which is faster, but you have to pay a small premium. Unless you need your money immediately, we'd suggest to pick a Standard, entering how much money to withdraw, and CashApp will start the transfer to your bank. However, there's another option. We could also order a free CashApp debit card from the main balance screen, which gave us the choice to spend our balance directly, sorta like a prepaid debit card. So that was our tutorial on CashApp. We hope you found this tutorial to be informative and entertaining. Do let us know if you want to know anything specific about the app, and do share your opinions and experiences with the app in the comments section down below.